Hey, in today's video, we're studying on the concept of logarithms. So we have two positive numbers, say A and B, and the C is the exponent or the third number. So we have this. So to write this in the logarithmic form, or write this in the logarithm form, we can say that the number C is said to be the logarithm of B to the base A. I'll explain that further. So we have this to be base A, B is equal to C. How is this possible? We can see here that anytime we are solving any logarithm question, let's say 3 raised to the power 2 is equal to 9. To write this in the logarithm form, so try punching this on your calculator and see, comparing these two answers, so that they tally. Are you getting it? So you must know that if n is equal to log of base ax and m is equal to log of by of ay, then the a will raise the n. So we have this to be a n equals x. So can you guess for the m or the second one? The a will raise the m. So a m y. So you see how we write logarithms. This a will go up to raise this one up. Let me use a different ink. So this a will raise the n in here. We have a raised to the power n is equal to x. Study some rules under logarithms and solve more examples on logarithm. So next up, we have the rules in logarithms. That is, for the first rule, we know that x is multiplying y, so it's addition in here. Keep these rules in mind. So then in case you have a question, let's say simplify log 3 9 plus log 3 12. So in solving this, you just come here, log 3, they multiply, that's 9 times 12, which is equals to same for this rule, that is x on y, that is subtraction. Let's look at this sign, the division sign. Okay, the n will come out of the log sign. Are you getting it? So in case you have an example, let's say log of 2, we have 3 4. In simplifying this, we have 4 log 3 base 2, and the last rule is a log of a number to the same base. The answer is 1. So let's go up and solve more examples and understand these. So in solving our first example, we are told to find x if log of 125 base x is equal to 3. So we come here, we write our solution sign. So we write the question back again. So we know that from the introduction, plus this, the a will raise up the n as the solution. Are you getting it? So then we come here, x will raise 3 up. So then x raised to the power 3 is equal to 125. And from indices, how can you solve this question? So then we pick our calculators, because in indices, either the bases are the same or the exponents are the same. But here, we know that x is the base and we don't know that of the 120. So then let's look for an exponent that's equal to that of the left hand side. So then we pick our calculator. We punch in shift with the square root sign. And we punch in the 1, 2, 5. And what do we have? 5. So then we come here. X to the power 3 is equal to 5 exponent 3. So once the exponents are the same, the bases are the same, so then x is equal to 5. So we've been able to solve the first example. So let's look at the second example. So next example, we are told to evaluate log 81 base 3. So write our solution, we write the question back. Give the answer to this question. That's what is log 81 base 3 equal to. So let's write a. We make sure that 3 raises up a. So then 3 raised up power a is equal to 81. So then once we know the base to be 3, which is a number, let's try and get a number which is equal to the same base. That's for the 83. So we come here, we use the factor tree to know this. Are you getting it? So then we come here. What number times 3 will give you 81? That's 27. You can also break this 27 down. What number times 3 will give you 27? That's 9. You can come down here. What number times 3 will give you 9? That's 3. So how many 3's do we have in here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write 3a equals 3 raised to the power 4. Therefore, a is equal to 4 because the bases are the same. Therefore, the exponents are the same from indices. With the next question, you are told to express this question as a single logarithm. So you come here, write our solution sign here. So from our rules, we know that with the third rule, when a number is before the logarithm sign, we can raise it up to this side. Are you following? Or other way around. So then here we have this to be in that way. So let's rewrite the question. So we know that from BODMAS, that is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So addition comes before subtraction. So we must first add the positive ones first before doing that of the subtraction. So we have 8 log 2 is a plus this. So then we have this to be log of 2 raised to the power 8 base a plus log of 3 raised to the power 6 base a minus log of 12 raised to the power 4. So we have solving the addition part first. Log of a from the rule, that is x plus y, we multiply. So we have this to be 2 raised to the power 8 times 3 raised to the power 6, all minus log of a, log base a has 12 on 4. It's exponent. So we have this to be log base a, all this minus. So here 2 exponent a times 3 exponent 6 is considered to be as x. Okay. And we have this to be 18664 minus log of 12 exponent 4a. In solving for this, we have it to be 186,624 divided by 12 exponent 4 from the second rule. When it's subtraction, we divide once they have the same base. So then, by calculating this on our calculator, punching this on our calculator, we have this to be log of 9 base a. So this is the answer to this question. So always note that before solving these long examples, express these examples as a single logarithm. Always make sure you have the board mass in mind. That's the bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Thank you.